Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Ivanka. Today I will show you my new purchases. And before guys, when I started, go for my Instagram and say hello. I share my stories, my new purchases, my favorite products. If you like, just go and have a look. I will so much appreciate. Alright, so let's go guys, start. So I will show you my new candle from Loccitane. It's come with beautiful packaging, as you can see. Beautiful. Such a stunning, I'm always excited when I buy something from that brand, as you can see. Okay, let's go open it. It's beautiful smell. And the lady in the shop told me it's very relaxing. And yeah, look like that. I love that label. It's just a gorgeous touch. It's come with beautiful porcelain glass and it's pure white inside, and smell, it's absolutely divine. It's really aromatic and it's perfect for bath and you want relaxing. And this one will be the perfect, make you even nicer at night or nice. So this will be amazing. They have a different as well scents, but this one it's lavender and yeah, lavender, bergamot, mandarin and sweet orange. Next I got something from my favorite brand. I love this brand so much, and I love the quality and the colors, you know, you can choose, and it's really affordable prices as well. And the brand called Coccinelle. It's Italian brand, and it comes in the beautiful pinky dust bags, and I'm looking for something for summer, like a basket bag or so. Yeah, and they have really colorful. And this bag I find on the Bestsecret, guys. I will linking down below my 20% off discount code, and they have even more discounted purchases with luxury brands around the world. So yeah, don't forget guys, check it out. They have amazing products. So this is my new bag. As you can see, I love the strappy color. They have a light blue, yellow and dark navy green. So looks absolutely stunning. As the same in the, this is on the front and this is on the back. So and this says Coccinelle, as you can see, on the front. And it's come with two handles, very comfortable, and it's come with beautiful adjustable comfortable strap. As you can see, beautiful light color. I really love. If you don't want wear with the long strap, so it's just only you have like a handles. And yeah, the bag inside, it's very hardly goes in, but the lining is very like a burgundy color. The bag is really no soft, it's very hard because it's made from wood inside. It's quite heavy, but yeah, it's really nice. I love the colors now, so I choose this one because most of my clothes is in blue, so it will be perfect with my dress as well. Just want to show you, this is my dress. It will be the perfect as well, as you can see. Okay, so yeah, what do you think guys? It's just gorgeous, isn't it? I really like this, really exciting for my holiday, so that will be amazing. Next purchase I got from Louis Vuitton. I love this brand, and it's come with beautiful orange box. and let me see to open it for you. I love this. It's just it's receipt, and it's come in a beautiful dust bag. I love the dust bag. They are really soft. And this is my second cosmetic bag, but this is the smaller size. I have a big one as well, but this is the smaller size. I love the Louis Vuitton print. I really like it. I love the gold hardware. As you can see, this says Louis Vuitton. Hope so you can see it. Louis Vuitton here. Really easy to open it. So the inside, it's really light color and is washable. You know, if you have a liquid makeups or foundation, it will be easy to just wipe it. Have a small packet on the side and one big one compartments. Very easy. I love the stitching as well, how beautifully it's really make it. I love the leather, the light one on the side, and yeah, it doesn't have any, you know, the feet, you know. Yeah, that's really gorgeous. I'm loving this, guys. So beautiful. They have different sizes, of course, and yes, so I have both. I really like the really nice soft leather. I love this monogram pattern. It's just really gorgeous. Yeah, so okay guys, I think this is everything. I hope you enjoy my video. Please thumbs up if you like, and subscribe my channel, and see you on my next. Bye.